Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I'm Neema Ahmad, one of the members here at Jimu Masjid. Jimu Masjid is one of the famous mosque here in Palombe, traditional authority in Kumba. Yeah, so as you can see, we are many here at Jimu Masjid. The number of the Jama is approximately to 110. We have got a beautiful mosque, as you can see here, and you have got a lot of children here who needs your help. So the help we need from you is to offer us a mualim or a sheikh who will provide us with education in terms of madrasa, so that our children can be civilized and make the Deen of Islam uplifted.
Ndiye Mtume Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam anakonea kuti khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'ana wa 'allamahu. Obuno mai ndamena kuza Qur'ani maso nokupuzisa ena Qur'ani yo. Ndipo pale anthu ena mwina alhamdulillah anaweza kapita napuza Qur'ani muno bwino koma mpato kuti apuzisa anthu ena omakhalosowa. Koso pale anthu ena mwina afuna anaphunzira za chisamu zakapena Qur'ani sanapuzire koma afuna kuti mwina atapangaso ana ena kuphunzira. Ndio zimenezo nzabwino kwambiri kuti nthawi ipete pomachedwa utango tumiza Sheikh wa Madrasah bazingili pano kuti mwina wake inuso mkhale ngati mupeza malipiro amenewo.
So the biggest challenge which is currently affecting us here is about madrasa. So we urge you, if possible, try to send us a mualim or a sheikh who will be able to provide education to our children, so that the Deen of Islam should be inspired. Reaching at this juncture, I have a hope and expectation that you will be assisting us with the way we are requesting you. Wa hadha, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.